Dear students, our next topic is the De Morgan's theorem. The first is AB the whole bar equal to A bar plus B bar. Second is A plus B the whole bar equal to A bar into B bar. And now we are going to the proof. That is, first of all, the NAND gate is applied. That is AB. It is applied to a NAND gate and the output is A dot B the whole bar. That is the LHS. And RHS is equal to A, it is connected to a NOT gate, that is A bar, and B is connected to a NOT gate B bar, and it is in the AND operation, it is A bar plus B bar. And the proof we have given that the AB, that is in case of AB, that is 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1, and in the operation A dot B the whole bar, that is the 1 1 1 0, we get the answer. Again the A bar, that is 1 1 0 0, the B bar 1 0 1 0, and the A bar plus B bar equal to 1 1 1 0. In this case, you just compare with the A dot B the whole bar and A bar plus B bar, we get the same answer. That is, the LHS is equal to RHS, and the first theorem is proved. The second is A plus B the whole bar equal to A bar dot B bar. In this case, A and B is connected to a NOR gate. We get is A plus B the whole bar, that is the LHS, and the RHS equal to A bar and B bar, that is A bar into B bar, that is A dot B the whole bar. The truth table, that is AB, that is 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. A plus B the whole bar, that is 1 0 0. A bar is 1 1 0 0 and B bar is 1 0 1 0. A bar dot B bar equal to 1 0 0. You just compare with the A plus B the whole bar and A bar dot B bar. The answer is same. So the second theorem is also proved. Next is the principle of duality. Next topic is the duality. To get the dual of any expression, that is, you have just note that to get the dual of any expression, replace or with and or with or otherwise 1 with 0 and 0 with 1. The first example is AB plus A bar C plus BC equal to AB plus A bar C. In this case, the conversion of duality is the AB is converted into A plus B, the plus is converted into multiplication, and again the multiplication is converted into plus. Again the plus is converted to multiplication, and B dot C is converted to B plus C. That is or with and. Next is and with or, and 1 plus 0 and 0 with 1. The implication of duality is that once a theorem or statement is proved, the dual also thus stands proved. This is called the principle of duality. Some of the examples are given below. The expression 0 bar equal to 1. The dual is 1 bar equal to 0. Next is 0 into 1 equal to 0. The dual is 1 plus 0 equal to 1. Next is 0 dot 0 equal to 0, and second is the 1 plus 1 equal to 1. And here are the other basic dual expression form. You just note some basic dual expression form. That is all about the De Morgan's theorem and the principle of duality.